Hello guys, welcome back to sa aking channel. Ito po si Gerald, nagbabalik, Gerald's TV. At ngayon po, pipick-upin natin ang ating AR9. It's a Freedom Ordnance FX9 9mm pistol. So, in-order ko yung 10-inch barrel kasi 8-inch lang yung nasa gun shop yung stock nila. I've been wanting this AR9 for a long time and finally arrived. I'm excited about it. I can't wait to shoot it in the gun range. And ayan, it's ready to pick up. I'm on my way to pick it up. And huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, Gerald's TV. Click lang yung subscribe button and hit the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa aking latest vlog. I'm gonna update you later on sa FX9. We're gonna put an optics, which is Pursuit optics. Not that expensive, but it works. We're gonna have them zero it out at the dealership, set it up, and later on we're gonna test it in gun range. Alright, abangan ang susunod na kabanata. Ayan, ipapa-install din natin ito, Pursuit. It's a red dot. At ipa-setup natin, pa-zero natin para ready to use for the gun range. It's not that expensive, but it works. It does the job. So let's see. And guys, dito na tayo sa gun shop. Pakita ko sa inyo. And po ang Las Vegas gun shop, located at St. Rose Parkway. We're gonna pick up our FX9 Freedom Ordnance. Check it out. Hello guys, so copy-pick up ko lang itong ating Freedom Ordnance AR9 9mm. At pininstallan na rin natin ng scope, which is the Pursuit scope. Ayan, ganda. And then with the brace, pinalitan natin. Ayan, ganda.